Anyway, today we're going to... Oh, shut up. Today we're gonna be dyeing my hair like an e-girl. My hair has finally gotten to the point where it doesn't look like something you would feed to a horse, so I thought to celebrate this milestone we would go ahead and bleach it again. I don't know, I feel like, contrary to popular belief, you don't have to be mentally unstable to dye your hair. Anyone can do it. Alright, let's go! I got the goods. So I'm in Sally's. I have to pee so bad. They don't have a bathroom in there, so I run over to the Harmon's next door. I'm running in. The store lady is like, "Good morning, welcome to Harmon's," and I'm like, "Move, bitch, I gotta get to the bathroom." I pee, do my thing, I come out, and I'm rushing because I have to get to a doctor's appointment. I pull the keys out of my pocket, run up to the car, I'm pressing the unlock button on the key fob, and it's just not working, and I'm just like, "It's broken, what am I gonna do? I'm locked out, it's broken." And so then I press the lock button and I hear beep, like way far away. I look up and see a fucking dream catcher hanging on the window, and I know that shit ain't mine. Oh, I'm not supposed to swear, I'm sorry. So I ran over to the car that was actually mine. Dude, I swear to you, every single Taco Bell, no matter what location it is always hiring. Why? Is it that bad to work at Taco Bell? Also, I got this giant soda and I'm realizing that I should never consume this much of amount. Let me tell you why Taco Bell's the best. They have a very good vegetarian menu. I just got a crunch wrap with beans in it. 12 out of 10. Alright, I'm gonna go now because I'm sweaty. Alright, hi guys. I know that my hair looks terrible, but you're apparently supposed to not wash your hair before you dye it so that it's not squeaky clean. I'm wearing my husband's Rick and Morty shirt because I didn't want to ruin any of my clothes. Sorry, Joey. Just kidding, he didn't want this anymore. I don't want to do the front parts of my hair like right here because then I would have to have my hair in the middle part and I don't really know how I feel about that. So instead I want to do these underneath pieces, just like on the side. I kind of thought it would be fun to do just like the bottom layer, but I don't really want to dye that much hair. Also, my camera is sitting in a paper towel roll, look. Okay, how do I not F this up? Alright, I'm a grandma. I just pulled a white hair out of my head. I have no idea what the frick I'm doing, but let's just go for it. I look like Janice from Mean Girls right now. Here's the thing, I don't have gloves, but I do have these sandwich bags. Okay, we're doing it, we're doing it. I've watched enough of these videos to know to not put it on my roots first. What do I do? What do I do about this part? Dye it too? I guess I have to. Okay, now we'll do the top? No, now we'll do the other side and then we'll do the top, right? Sounds good? Oh, frick. I'm not doing so well. I actually think this is gonna turn out really ugly. I'm very worried about it. Trust the process. Trust the process. This is what I'm going for. Cute little kind of thing. I don't think this will turn out like that. Here are my qualms. I worry that though I did do my roots later, I was a little hasty in doing them, so they still might end up lightening faster than the rest of my hair. This is what my hair is looking like right now. It is freaking burning my ears, but it looks like it's lightening, so that's good. There are definitely some spots that are not lightening as much as the other ones, but it looks like it's getting pretty blonde. Also, if you're wondering what camera I got, it is the Sony ZV-1. It was specifically designed for vloggers and YouTubers, so it is literally the perfect camera. I was gonna get the Canon G7X Mark II like everybody else has, but then I saw that this camera came out a few months ago, and I just knew I had to get this one. I also really just like Sony. My other camera is a Sony a7 III, and so getting this camera was nice because I'm already familiar with the camera setup and everything. Okay, we're getting to the point where it's starting to get dry and crusty, so I'm gonna go wash it off. Hi guys, so this is what my hair looks like after one round. As you can see, it is extremely orange, and that is not it. So I have to bleach it again. I think it looks a lot more orange in this lighting than it does in real life. It's more just like a yellow orange. This looks like straight up pumpkin. And also some bits are darker than others. As you can see, it's like lighter right here and then it gets pretty brown right there. Also, I wish that if I could have gone back in time, I would have done more hair, but whatever, what can you do? I washed and dried these bits, and so now I'm gonna go do round 2. All right, my camera battery died, so I had to charge it, and I didn't film me bleaching it, but I bleached it for a second time, and it looks nearly identical. It looked like it lightened up a lot when the bleach was on my hair, but once I washed it off, it turned out to be pretty dark still. But I'm just gonna go ahead and call it quits here because I don't want to have to bleach it 3 or 4 times to get it lighter. The good news is I evened out the color a bit, so it's not like brown in some spots, but it's still not super blonde. All right, so with the toner, you're supposed to do it on towel dried hair. I don't know if I did it wrong, but this is super liquidy, so it's just running everywhere. What the frick? Dude, I'm not a chemist, but it was white in the thing and now it's purple on my hands. Okay, here's the outcome. I look a little bit more like a penguin than I would like to. You know, the ones with the... But overall, I don't hate it. I think it will look a lot cooler when I dry and straighten my hair, and then it'll look a little bit lighter too. Alright, so it is a couple days later. I straightened my hair, and this is how it turned out. You can see the color is a little bit lighter than it looked in the last clip, which is good. And I actually really like the way it turned out. The only thing I would change, like I said earlier, is adding more hair, so I might end up doing that later on. I am going to do a full EGIRL transformation, so I'm gonna pick out an outfit and do my makeup. But before I do that, I wanted to quickly talk about the products that I used after I dyed my hair, because bleaching it is obviously very damaging to your hair, and so it's important to use good products to kind of keep it relatively healthy. So the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using lately is from this brand called Moerie. I might have butchered that. They were kind enough to send me some hair products to test out and review. What's really cool about these products is that they're very natural, so they're made with vitamins and minerals, and they don't contain any parabens or silicones, and they are cruelty-free, which is always a good thing. So some of the minerals and vitamins included in these products are biotin, omega-3, iron, zinc, and fulvic acid. So they sent me 2 shampoos, a conditioner, a hair mask, and then an ultimate growth spray, which I was very interested in using because I'm trying to grow my hair out. So with this, I just sprayed it after I showered and my hair was damp, and then I just sprayed it all over my roots. And for maximum results, you're supposed to use this every time you shower, and it doesn't make your hair feel greasy or like slimy or anything. And the scent smells very like herbal. Like if you were to go to a spa, I feel like this is like the scent that they would spray around you. Very like aroma therapeutic, if that's a word. So I use the shampoo and conditioner and this hair mask in the shower. I focus this mostly on the ends of my hair, but then I just completely saturated these bits that I just destroyed. And that seemed to really help with making it softer and not feel super brittle. Overall, I just really love these products because washing your hair isn't really healthy for it already, but I feel a lot better using these natural products because I know they don't contain all of these harmful chemicals and sulfates. Anyway, if you're interested in trying any of these products, I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go and check them out. Now let's get on to the transformation. Alright, here I am in all of my glory. I did my makeup. I think there's a very fine line between an e-girl and a clown, but I don't really know where that line is. But I got on all my chains and my long sleeve underneath my short sleeve. I'm definitely feeling like I'm 17. I drew on the fake little bottom eyelashes and the little hearts and did the whole thing. So how do we think I did? This shirt is from Mr. Melville. My earrings, ring, and most of my necklaces are from Hard Jewelry, but there's a couple random ones in there as well. This purple shirt is from Yes Style, and my pants are from Primark. So that's about it. This is the full transformation, which brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And be sure to go check out Moerie. Like I said, it's in the description. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!